Put it all in your mouth.
I'm going to.
Why'd you do that? Courtney, you are so cleaning up that mess. What are you doing? You can't even spit like normally.
I got it in the sink.
I'll clean it out.
That could not have been that bad.
It is.
I can't even swallow that. There's cinnamon washed down my throat.
I know. I think you should try it.
Yeah.
You should.
Both on crack.
It's terrible. I'm never letting you talk me into stuff again.
Yeah, you will.
Turn my water off.